ला 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 आ गई हूँ. Hi, I'm Sudeepta on Super Hits 93.5 Red FM और इस World Television Day हमने सोचा आपके लिए करते हैं कुछ स्पेशल. So we have got you Teleflix, जहां पर हम लेकर आ रहे हैं टीवी के बेहतरीन स्टार्स just for you. And today we have Claudia with us. सबसे पहले if I talk about TV, since we are talking here about TV, you know we are here for World TV. So if there was one program that you would want to, see, and you want to see it again and again and again, you never get bored of it, which television program would that be?
I think Big Boss reality show, because it's now the 19th season and people are still like completely into it. And
Yeah.
Salman Khan is rocking it. He's been like an absolutely wonderful host. And yeah, I think people, the reality show, I feel it's the unique point is that people really can kind of connect with you on a personal
Right.
level. They can see you, being off guards, because being inside a house, you even there are 100 cameras, you really don't care after some time. You're not careful about it, right? So people really see who you are, how you react in different scenarios, and what kind of good or not good human being you are. So I
Right.
think through television and reality show, you can really connect to the audience to a level where they will be your fans for life.
And if there was one program where you would say, pause, this is it, which is that one program?
Like a serial, you mean to say?
Yeah, a serial.
I don't watch much of serials, but I think Nagin is also something extremely popular. And right now they have again announced another Nagin, which part I don't even remember. So I think this is quite popular. Anupama, yeah, I think that was also, very, very popular and people were hooked into it. So yeah, serials are also something incredible.
OTT and streaming platforms. What power does television hold for you? Even as a star, even as a celebrity, or even from the other side of the world, if you see the television.
You see, television is something, I think it brings the families together, right? Like
Right.
for example, even in the evening, they all gather together after coming back from the office. They jointly sit in front of the TV and spend quality time together, or at least relax, or have a chit chat and watch something. So that togetherness, no, that I think no other medium has that kind of a power than TV to bring a family members.
If your life, if Claudia's life was like a TV series, which season, one episode title would you give? Anything?
I think the first title will be like, from Europe to Bollywood, lights, camera, and curry.
All right. So, what is that one genre of television serial that you really, really love? That this genre of television is something that I really love watching.
You know what I love? I love comedy, because comedy makes you enjoy, makes you laugh, and makes you forget for a moment, even if you had like a bad day or a stressful time during the day or whatever. If you watch comedy which makes you laugh, like for example, Couple Show, right? We have been
Yeah.
for years. Oh my God. And even right now in front of the TV, if I really want to relax and unwind, I just watch comedy, good stand-ups or something, and it just makes me smile, makes me feel light, makes me feel I can breathe again, and that gives you pure happiness. Yeah, I would never compromise on that.
Do you
Yeah.
remember the last time you actually sat with your entire family, having dinner or whatever and watching something together? And what series or serial was that? Do you remember that?
You know what? I am living by myself in India because my entire family is in Europe.
Yeah.
But I remember, when it's very funny, but on Christmas dinner, after the
Yeah.
Christmas dinner, we all sat together to watch TV, and there was always Home Alone. And
Ah.
10 years, every single year, they used to play it on the TV, and every single year, jointly, we used to sit, watch it. Everybody knew the dialogue, everybody knew scene after the scene, what is going to happen next. Till every Christmas evening, we used to watch Home Alone together with the entire family and laugh our heart out. So I think it has been traditional in my house.
So I have a rapid fire question in front of me for you.
Okay.
I will say a TV show title and you'll have to say the first word that pops in your head.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, so let's start with your and my favorite, Friends.
Happiness.
Game of Thrones.
Power.
Oh, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति?
I think it's like the intelligence here.
Yeah, I know the voice.
The voice is, all about passion.
All right, great, great. You did well, you did well. So, if you were stuck for 24 hours in a show, which show
Okay.
would you pick?
24 hours for a show.
If you're just stuck in a show.
I would really be like to be stuck in Friends. Again, I'm repeating myself, but shooting in Central Park. Imagine chilling with your friends, drinking coffee, having great time. I would like to be stuck not just for 24 hours, but for the entire 1 week. Imagine, Chandler will be joking, Joey will be like, flirting with you, Monica will be cooking something for you. Rachel will have no idea what's even happening next to you. Like a
And
coffee.
Phoebe.
Oh my God, Phoebe will have something hippie to say, which nobody even understands what it is.
Very true. So for 24 hours, you're going to sit with your friends and you're going to sit in that set. I understood. But if you had to teleport yourself to 60s or 70s or 80s or 90s or any era of television,
Okay.
which era would that be?
Um, I think, television, you know what? Like, I still watch all the 90s Bollywood movies. So I think the era of 90s, I know it's not a serial, it's a Bollywood movies, but they release once in the theater, but then you can watch them forever on the TV. And that 90s era, Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, Khal Ho Na Ho, they're endless, this romantic movies with Shah Rukh, Salman, which you can watch 1,000 times. I remember when I came to India, Dil Chahta Hai, I used to watch on the beginning so many times, and every time I watched it, I used to cry like a baby. I just love the 90s era. I think nobody can even match it even right now.
Now, since you have talked so much about the 90s and you love that era and you love that running around the trees, let me give you a moment to act like that once and perform. So imagine there's a hero, you have a crush on him and he knocks at your door and there's wind flowing through your hair, and now you have to act. You're just shocked that he's here at your doorstep. Now give me that look. La 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 la. This music is fine?
Aa gayi.
That was brilliant. And thank you so much. I had so much fun talking to you. I hope you also had so much fun. And I am now going to watch Friends again. And this Christmas, since it's coming, Home Alone.
It was amazing talking to you. Thank you so much. It was so much fun. And with this episode, if this will be for 1 hour, we would have actually recreated the entire Friendship Wala Zone, because actually that vibe was there. So thank you so much. I had
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Claudia Ciesla, and this World Television Day, tune into Red FM per Telefix, where TV meets radio. So keep listening, keep rocking, and bajate raho.
बजाते रहो बाबा बजाते रहो
93.5 Red FM
बजाते रहो